So I was being asked how to particularly detect a framework, be it for React or Angular or even Vue.js or any other framework for that matter. So how to detect that and how to detect those CDN links and local JavaScript if used while serving the site. So this is kind of broad requirement, but I'm trying to reduce down to just detecting React or Vue.js. Right, so I'll be taking a look at how to detect those particular frameworks or JavaScript of any time locally or through CDN. So I wrote a PRD for this, gave it a flow, something like user navigate to a certain part of website, then clicks this extension and say scan button, then it should analyze and check what sort of JavaScript is being used or a framework being used. So this was PRD part. Then comes your typical prompt to get this done. Right. Then comes code assistance. So as you can see, this is the whole PRD. Now if I go to Windsurf, open a folder, and in temp directory we'll see framework analysis as name of our project. So here I will be adding two files, PRD and execution .md, like these two files, and thirdly icon style.py. So we have like these three files. I'll be breaking down this entire PRD into small parts, right? So you can see this is the PRD initially, and this will form my prompt. It should go into cascade, right? So now finally I will have to put the code implementation, right? So up to this part I can copy and move to execution. Right now if I go to PRD, and here you see, okay, so we have our PRD ready, execution ready, then icon style, right? So here I have to go back to DeepSeek and check that particular script that generates the placeholder icons. Right now coming back to our code, here I have to explicitly say read prd.md. I have to point it out and then execute as per the execution.md, and then check out the prompt below. Now if I use space enter, this should show up. Now finally I have to also say maintain the directory structure, and also say create placeholder icons using @icon style, right, .py and the end of the project. Right now if I hit enter, it should scan these three files, then come up with all the required extension files, and it it should detect our required website. So if I go here, let's try it with React official, then view, and also take a look at the Express.js and Angular as well. So I'm checking this. Okay, we are checking multiple frameworks here. So first one is our React framework, right? Then comes Vue.js, then Express, then Angular. Let's see which one gets scanned. Right now, coming to insert, as you can see, it is now at the step of checking for Python icons. So hopefully it doesn't stop at that, continue to create the extension. So some of the time what happens is that you have to nudge it if the your tool LLM stops by any reason, right? So let's wait for it to finish. Up to 60 seconds it will stop. Currently we do have this folder, then icons, so I will have to wait for it to finish. It may attempt to bring some other icons on its own, or even images for that matter. Okay, we'll go back to our PRD, where you can see features we are expecting React, Vue and Angular should be detected. Detect version if possible, determine if framework is loaded from CDN or local file. Then UI component, we check that browser action button with pop-up. Scan button also initiate the detection. Apart from that, storage, which is SQLite based, right? Then you can see the user workflow. Click scan button, it will analyze page, result displayed, and so on. Notice that it is attempting to remove the icons directory, which is empty. Not sure why, right? So here you can see okay, so hopefully it doesn't delete anything. Right, so it has referenced it from here. I will have to accept all the changes. Let's go and see if extension loads. So if I go to framework analysis, currently nothing shows up. Now we will load the React, and if we check the extension and see scan, no major framework detected. And so okay, so we are testing it on official site and not even error is appearing, so it seems like nothing is being scanned. Same with Vue.js. As you can see, if we check, it has to load some sort of framework, right? So if we check header and notice that assets are being loaded. For example, here you can see multiple assets are loaded, but it is not being shown here. Okay, I tried to minimize this to 3 frameworks, which is Angular, React and Vue. Right, so I want this to be corrected. Okay, hopefully this works. Okay, so let me test this. I just loaded the extension. Now, considering I'm only focused on React, Vue and Angular, currently the Express should not show any form of framework also, because it is its own framework, but I'm not using it to detect here. So if I check and scan, you'll notice no major framework detected. Now let's see if I try to check for Vue. So it should show me something. Notice Vue.js unknown local file, so it is being served through server and not from CDN, right? So if we check for React, even in this case you'll notice it is being served locally. Finally, for Angular, it is supposed to be CDN, right? So this is CDN, right? So our test for detecting the frameworks worked, and it is for 3 major frameworks that are being detected.